Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make masala peanuts, and trust me, it's a super addictive snack that can be prepared in 10 minutes. So without making any further delay, let's get started. Here I have taken around 250 grams of peanuts, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, half a tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of oil, a pinch of hing or asafoetida, and some curry leaves. Let's see the preparation. In a pan, add peanuts and dry roast them for 6 to 8 minutes. Keep stirring the peanuts on low flame so that the peanuts don't get burned. Now you can see that the color of peanuts starts changing. Keep stirring for 1 more minute. Now this is done. Let's switch off the flame and transfer it into another container. Let this cool down to room temperature. Now rub the peanuts with both the hands against each other so that it will help to split in half. Separate the skin and keep it ready. In a pan, heat the oil on low flame. Once the oil is heated up, add curry leaves. Then add hing. Now goes in roasted peanuts. Give it a good mix. Now goes in red chili powder, salt and black pepper powder. Stir well so that the masala coats well on peanuts. Keep stirring and let it be on low heat for a minute. Now switch off the flame and allow it to cool. Once it is cool enough, we have to crush the curry leaves with our hands. That's it. Our tasty and crunchy masala peanuts are ready to eat. I hope you like this recipe. Do try at home and let me know the feedback in the comment section below. Please do share my videos with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest recipes. Thank you.